Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see linked accounts on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice a help option there. Go ahead and click on help, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Steam support. This will take you to Steam Support Center, where you can manage various account-related issues and inquiries. Once you're in the Steam Support section, you'll see several category options available. Look for and click on Steam Community. This category handles everything related to your Steam profile, friends, and community features, including linked third-party accounts. Next, you'll need to select I need help with something not listed here. This option is perfect when your specific concern doesn't fit into the predefined categories that Steam provides. It allows you to submit a custom support request directly to Steam's team. Now, scroll down the page until you see the Contact Steam Support button and click on it. This action will open up a direct communication channel with Steam support staff, allowing you to explain your situation in detail. You'll now see a text field where you can write your message. In this field, type out your request clearly. Explain that you would like to know whether any third-party accounts are currently linked to your Steam account. Be specific about what information you're looking for, as this helps Steam support understand exactly what you need and respond more efficiently. After you've typed your message, click the Send button to submit your request. Once you've sent it, you'll need to wait for Steam support to review your request and provide further guidance. This process typically takes anywhere from a day to several days, depending on their current workload, so be patient. The support team will investigate your account and provide you with detailed information about any linked accounts. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a request to find out what accounts are linked to your Steam profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.